Hey guys, it is the 24th of January 2019, and in this video update we'll take a look at what happened since my last update, when I said I was calling for a possible break outside the rising bearish wedge in conjunction with the blood moon on 20th of January. Now, I believe it was Friday we had that big rally, big move or decent move on thin volume, and even though technically we broke out of the wedge, more importantly we can see what happened since that high. We've had a bit of a sell-off. There's been a few attempts by the bears to push below the shorter term moving averages, though more importantly the top of this move has coincided with the blood moon, which occurred on the 20th, which was a Sunday. So obviously Monday, that was Friday. Sorry, correction. Monday was a public holiday in the US, Martin Luther King Day, I believe it was. So Tuesday we had a sell-off. Yesterday, as I said, we had an attempt to push below the 50 moving averages and the shorter EMAs. The Bulls managed to defend that for now. So unless that high gets broken and the index pushes above that high on Friday's high, this blood moon on the 20th still is in play and still is currently marking the high of this move. Now, what I've added in here is some Fibonacci angles, and I particularly pay attention to the 62 Fibonacci. So there seems to be a relationship with the S&P 500, as we can see here. Back in October, when we had this push down, then we had a minor corrective bounce. It was rejected on the 52 here, we went down. Similar thing here. 62 rejected, we went down. Excuse me, sorry. We pushed back up again, though we hit, interesting enough, we hit the 62 angle, and that was a bigger rejection. So we didn't hit the horizontal 62, we hit the angle. So what I'm looking for here is possibly, if I can put this, it allows me to draw this arrow in, it's probably a push back up to test, most likely test this 62. So I'm looking actually for a bit of a counter trend move, and that would make sense because these two candles is what we call a homing pigeon. So, and that could possibly mark a bit of a move up. Yeah, so as I said, over the next few days, it wouldn't surprise me if we maybe push up a bit and then we get the bigger move down. So as I said, as far as I'm concerned, nothing has changed unless we break above this 62 and we take out that high. Then that totally voids this blood moon cycle. So once again, this to me is still in play. I think we'll get a bit of a squeeze up like we did here, which I think was a bit of a trap, was a bit of a bull trap. When you've been trading these markets as long as I have, you see these traps, whether it's a bull or a bear trap, happen time and time again. So I think likely we could see maybe another spike up, a bit of a trap, and then looking for a possible rollover with a bigger move down to come.